Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if option missing on your Facebook app, so how you can fix it. So really you can see this error, so just close your Facebook app and just open again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. So just tap on Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Or also you can try to turn on airplane mode and turn it off. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to tap on Facebook, just tap on remove app, and after just go to App Store, just go to search tab and in search just write Facebook and just tap on get button. So just download and install Facebook app again on your iPhone. So this is the way how you can try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.